This is fresh. China fresh. YP8390 model name. You can see these constructions, body sections, spare tire. That's called is spare tire. You can see, yeah. You can also see it up on the screen. This is called tire. And the setting in front of fresh new sections of Great Wall Company of Bangladesh. This system, this is called blower part, blower, and this part blow fire, and this is a pipe, yeah, and you can see, and this is gas line, yeah. Let's go. And this side, this called drive side of tire. People are working here. And this is clean. Firing machine. All are working here. So okay. And this is construction working place, and this is new sections of Great Wall Company, Bangladesh. Thank you.